Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain fifth question for you from exercise 5.3 page number 113 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So what is the information he has given? The first term A is equal to 5 and the last term AN or L is equal to 45 and the sum of the first n terms is Sn is equal to 400. So what do we have to find out? We have to find out the number of terms, that is n value and the common difference d. So these are the two values we have to find out, n and d. Now there are two formulae for calculating the sum of the first n terms, right? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula. Or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. This is another formula. So for solving this problem I am going to use this equation, because the first term and the last term is given and Sn, we know Sn, right? So we can calculate the value of n easily by using this equation. So let's substitute the values in this equation. N by 2 into a is 5 plus last term is 45 is equal to what is the sum of the first n terms? 400. N by 2 into 50 is equal to 400. N is equal to 400 into 2 divided by 50. 5 8s are 8 2s are 16. So how many terms are there in this series? 16 terms are there in this series. And the sum of the 16 terms is 400. And the first term is 5 and the last term is 45. He has also asked us to find the common difference, right? That is D. So we know the formula of an, right? We know an is equal to 45. And the formula of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 45. Now let's substitute the values of a and n in this equation and solve for d. A is 5. 5 plus n minus 1 is, n is 16, right? 16 minus 1 into d is equal to 45. 16 minus 1 is 15. 15d is equal to 45 minus 5. That is equal to 40. That implies d is equal to 40 by 15. 5 8s are 5 3s are, that is equal to d is equal to 8 by 3. So the common difference for this problem is 8 by 3. So I'll explain the question once again. He has given the first term and the last term in the series and the sum of the first n terms in the arithmetic progression. We have to find out the n value and the common difference. So we know an is equal to, the last term is equal to 45. That's why we are going to use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So here n by 2 into a is 5 plus 45 is equal to Sn is equal to 400. So I got the n value as 16. There are 16 terms in this arithmetic progression. Now we know an is equal to 45 and we know the formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 45. By substituting the values of a and n, I have solved for d. So I got the d value as 8 by 3. Hope this is clear for you. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise, and please leave your feedback in the comment section below, and do subscribe and share the videos. Until then, see you.